You can send a message for 3 days on Messenger. Often, when you send a message in chat went against community standard on Messenger, you can have this problem. But solving these issues takes only a few steps. So, let's get started. First, open Messenger. Tap Profile. Scroll down. Tap Report a technical problem. Tap Report a problem. Tap Include. Now you need to explain your problem. Here is what you need to just explain your problem and tell them to fix it. Also, add a screenshot of your problem. Now choose the related problem that you have. Now tap Send. Now if they agree, they're going to allow you to message others. You'll need to wait 72 hours. After that, your problem will be auto-fixed. So if you still have any issues, please tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching.